Yeah, you see it. That's a Nitro Heat Edition. It's a 2012 four-wheel drive. Loaded up, looking straight. Got real nice set of 20-inch tires on it. Look at the body on this car. It's extremely well maintained. Dialed in, non-smoker. Factory sunroof, auxiliary line in, USB port. Got the hands-free radio with satellite. Premium sound, privacy glass. How nice this truck is. Check out the inside. Fully serviced and safety inspected and ready to dazzle. $995 starting down, folks, on this truck. Guaranteed credit approval. 3 months, 4,500 miles on the driveline covered. That's a service contract offered by DasCleveland.com at no cost to the customer. 2 guaranteed credit approval program. Platinum member. We're getting you done, and you're driving out in this starting down $995. DasCleveland.com.